Hey everyone, this is Rose and I welcome you to my random channel. This is going to be a video about another Dailylook Elite Box unboxing review. If you want to learn more about the program, I'm going to link my playlist up in the cards simply because the very first unboxing that I do on there, I break down everything about the program. The fees, the schedule, how it works, getting the items, returning the items, all that stuff. And so, I'm sure you just watched the montage of when I get these boxes, I always post immediately to Snapchat and Instagram to the stories. So if you don't follow me on those, please do. I'm quickly going to reiterate, with this box, I got 8 items. I sent 4 back and kept 4. And so I'm just going to go in and talk about first the 4 that I sent back. The first thing was the Graylin Tristan woven sleeveless button front dress. It was a black, in black and extra small. Retail for $124. I felt like it was a nice item, but not worth $124. The second thing that I didn't keep was the floral lace off-shoulder top in red. I believe that was a Dailylook item. It retailed for $64. It fit me like a crop top, and I gotta admit, I'm not really into those. And hopefully my AC is not too disturbing. So I sent that back. The next thing was a Nico waterfall trench vest in mocha in an extra small. It retailed for $98. I actually really like this item, but I didn't really see a point in keeping it because I would keep a trench for like coat purposes. But I really wouldn't wear that to cover anything, like a dress or anything like that, unless it like provided me warmth. I felt like the piece didn't have enough function for me to keep it. That's basically what I'm saying. And then the last thing I returned was the Sheila Eclectic Unbalanced skirt in the color ivory extra small. It retailed for $58. I just didn't really like the skirt. It fit me really tight. I don't know if you can tell from the photos, probably not. And I just did not feel comfortable in it. And so I'm quickly going to the 4 pieces that I did keep and intercut like footage of me actually wearing the items. The first thing I will talk about is, I believe this is a Dailylook item. Yes. The LS Nelly cold shoulder strappy top in the color olive, and it's a size small. Retails for $78. Really liked how this looks from behind, which I'm sure you can see from my footage or you're about to see. But it's a nice, comfortable, flowy olive top. I don't really own a lot of things this color, so decided to like go outside of my comfort zone and keep this item. The next thing I kept was the Meredith Contrast lined sleeveless blouse in black and ivory, size small. This retails for $66. I believe this is another Dailylook item. This I mainly see wearing to work. I think for this month I actually asked my stylist to send me work appropriate items, and so I really liked how it was long in the back, covers the bum, feels very light and airy, and I like the contrasting colors. The next thing I kept is really outside my box. I don't own any pants, work pants that are this color. But these are the Graylin Casper crepe pleated trousers in mauve in size small. These retail for $8. I love the menswear aspect of these. They're just very comfortable. And this is a color that I don't own in anything really. And then the last thing I kept is another Daily Look item, the Dita Tulip Hem Wrap Dress in navy, size small. It retails for $89. I think I own mock wrap dresses, but this is the actual first like wrap dress I own in navy, which is a color that I like. And me holding it up right now is not going to do it any justice. You'll be able to see it in the footage, but I like the back, how it has kind of like the trench thing going on with it, and it just fits really flattering. And I have a Daily Look bralette actually that's navy and lacy that peeks out because it does show a lot of cleavage. Goes perfectly with this that you may have seen in the Snapchat montage. But again, if you're interested in joining Daily Look, their monthly box, or really you can make it quarterly or every 6 months, you make the schedule. Their clothing subscription program, I'll put my link down below. Of course, you don't have to use it. And again, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And again, this is it. Again, this is Rose, and thank you so much for watching this crap. If you found this video at all helpful or entertaining, then please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and subscribe and become part of my random family. And until next time, I hope you all have a great day. You will see me again hopefully very soon.